Launching the water-linked UGPS, an underwater positioning system compatible with all Blueye ROVs. Navigation underwater has always been more challenging than on land. Sensors that we take for granted on the ground, such as GPS, do not work underwater. An alternative approach is to utilize hydroacoustics to determine a position underwater. With a UGPS from Waterlinked connected to your Blueye ROV, you will get an accurate live position and a track of where you have been diving. The system itself consists of an antenna, a topside box and a locator placed on the ROV. The locator transmits an acoustic signal picked up by the antenna. The topside box triangulates and calculates the locator's position based on the received signals from the antenna or separate receivers. The obvious benefit of the UGPS is the accurate position data on where your ROV is located at any time. The UGPS can estimate the ROV's position to within 1 meter at a 100-meter range. Positioning is critical if you need to understand where you're looking at something and to report where you have been diving and performing your underwater tasks. With the UGPS, you'll get a stable position that is not drifting over time, making it ideal for longer operations or surveys. The integration with the Blueye software provides the operator with accurate position data directly in the Blueye app. In the navigation menu, you'll find detailed navigation data and a map showing the ROV's live position track. A list with points of interest can be imported prior to the dive, making finding your object of interest easier. New points can be added while diving as well. A number of charts are also available for offline use in areas with no cellular connection. A KLM or KMZ file is easily extracted from the dive log in the Blueye app. These files can be displayed directly on Google Earth or any other GIS tool. Utilizing position log files will significantly improve your workflow when creating post-dive reports. They are also very beneficial if you want to revisit any points of interest or successively explore an area. You can load tracks from different dives into the same map to get a good visual overview. The position data will also be available as metadata in the photos you capture using your ROV. Enhance your underwater operations with positioning. Learn more at blueyerobotics.com.